Welcome to EcomStat. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to connect your Meta Ads account to EcomStat so you can automatically sync your ad spend and view campaign analytics. Start by heading to the Integrations section from the side menu. From here, select your store from the drop-down list. You'll notice it says Not Connected. Click Connect with Facebook to begin the setup process. You'll now be redirected to Facebook, where you'll choose your business manager and the corresponding ads manager account. Make sure to grant EcomStat all the requested permissions. This ensures a smooth and secure connection between your ad account and our system. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back to EcomStat, where the syncing process will begin automatically. If your ad account uses a different currency from your store, you'll be prompted to set an exchange rate so your analytics remain accurate. After setup, EcomStat will continue syncing your ad data in the background. To confirm your connection, simply go back to Integrations. You'll now see your account marked as connected. That's it. You can now find your ad spend analytics directly in the Analytics page from the side menu and view detailed campaign insights in the Campaign section. With EcomStat, your marketing data and e-commerce metrics are finally in one place. Making smarter decisions just got easier.